So we haven't been here for quite a while, and we are in Domino's. Where's the sign which says Domino's? There, in the distance. Don't know if you can see it. And we can get 2 medium-sized pizzas, Coke, Sprite, water. I don't know who this is, for about $11.80. And then we can see there that it will be about 3 minutes until it arrives. And then later we are going to go for a little walk in this park here, which is like just across the road, and then that's it. Yeah. This is the state of hotels at the moment, that they 1 or 2 rooms, but Thailand is opening up, Vietnam is opening up, and when all these places open up, this will open up even more. Are you hungry?
Yeah.
What else have we done today?
We do bring the speaker to the airport.
Oh yeah, my soundbar, Bluetooth, Dolby Atmos, very expensive, $600, sorry, $599 speaker.
$1 is
That-
lost away.
Oh yeah, the bass doesn't connect, so it's not under guarantee, but it shouldn't be too much to repair, and I'm not buying a new one for $600. I think even if the repair is $100, then that will be okay. So this is Domino's, and there's the park, and I'll show you the food a little bit later when it arrives. Yes. Now, to be really honest, I did have 1 or 2 glasses of Jim Beam last night with some Coke and some soda. So this is sort of like sobering up food at 2:30 in the afternoon on a Monday. So one of them is the pepperoni. There we go. So this is a medium.
Yeah.
This is medium in this country. I know in some countries a medium is like the size of Hawaii, but this is the Hawaiian pizza here. Look at that.
Yum yum. Come on. Eat together.
Okay, it's going to be piping hot, so we just have to let it cool. How many slices are you going to eat today? Usually just about 2. 1. How many?
Don't know yet, maybe 3.
Maybe 3. Oh my god. 3. 3. Okay, let's see you after the meal when we can't move. Okay, lunch, well, sort of like lunch, dinner at 3, maybe 4 o'clock, I don't know what the time is now, was absolutely delicious. Haven't had pizza for ages. What are you doing?
I know you can see Domino's.
Oh, okay, there, there, there. What about me?
Yeah.
Ooh. Yeah, and now we're going over there.
There.
Yeah, okay, let's go. Turn it off.